What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in and Happy New Year. This is my first upload of 2020. We have a lot of exciting stuff for the 2018 Silverado here, and today is no exception. A highly requested mod from you guys, something I've been waiting to do for quite some time. Truck has 26,000 miles now. I've almost had it for 2 years and I haven't done this. It's pretty obvious, you know, thumbnail, title, and those clips that you just saw before I started talking here. We finally bought an exhaust for the Silverado, but it might not be exactly what you guys are expecting. Let me explain. What we have here is a 3-inch catback from MBRP. I know it is a cheaper exhaust, but hear me out. I'm not a huge exhaust guy to begin with, especially with a newer truck. I don't want this to sound like a redneck truck, so I don't want loud, obnoxious exhausts. And I'm also not picky about my exhaust tone or note. And so me to go spend $1,000 on a Borla exhaust, I really don't care about the sound too much. I just want a little bit of rumble, and that's what we're gonna get with this thing. Now, MBRP, I know these guys because they make diesel exhausts, and I know a lot of people that run these. I figured I'd get one for the Silverado. Got a hell of a deal online for Black Friday. This is a 3-inch catback exhaust, and it is single side exit, right where the stock exhaust exits. I know everybody loves these dual exhausts, but to me, I don't like the look of them. Unless you have like a Ram where the bumpers are already cut out for a dual exhaust, I don't like just having exhaust pipes hanging underneath the bumper on Silverados and Fords. I think it looks kind of tacky. If you know me and my style, Dirty Max Jack says it the best, OEM plus. So this exhaust with a really nice looking tip, actually, the camera's not going to focus, but this exhaust with a nice tip hanging right there where the stock exhaust does, it's going to look really good, and hopefully it's going to make a nice increase in the sound. Now, like I said, this exhaust is no $1,000 Borla. This is regular price, I believe, like $380, $389 maybe. It's the installer series. It's not stainless, so that's what kind of sucks. This is aluminized steel, but that's, you know, that's what happens when you buy a cheaper exhaust. It's aluminized. The tip is stainless, which is cool, so I guess I would expect some oxidization and rusting of this exhaust if I keep it on too long. But if you've been a fan of the channel for a long time, you know this is like a budget daily driver. So like, I'm not spending $1,200 on an exhaust because a lot of you guys that watch my channel don't want to either. So this is an affordable exhaust. I picked it up for $320 on Black Friday. You know, we're gonna see how she looks and sounds and feels on this truck. Now, of course, it's raining here in PA when I want to do this, so I'm kind of limited. I got the back of the truck jacked up in the garage here. Hopefully it's enough for me to get underneath and pull this old exhaust out. Now, once again, if you do watch the channel, I film by myself, I do the installations by myself. I'm typically on a time schedule, so I don't expect this to take too long, but I'm not the best at filming every single angle of the installation. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna link American Truck's installation video right up here in the corner. They do a phenomenal video explaining exactly step-by-step how to take the old exhaust off and put the new one on, but I'm gonna still do the best I can, so hope you enjoy.
A few moments later.
All right, up underneath this thing, got the 13mm clamp undone from the flex pipe. Got the first 3 hangers undone. The exhaust is literally being held on by this hanger right here. So once we pull that hanger, it should fall. We're gonna try to wiggle it out. All right, so that's exactly what happened. I pried this last hanger. The exhaust completely fell down. I wish I had that on film. I don't know where to set the camera. I didn't want it to come down and fall on my camera. I apologize for not getting the cool footage. But the exhaust literally is just kind of hanging on right there, right by the flex pipe. So I just got to pull that out and then try to maneuver the whole tailpipe out. Alright guys, we got it out one piece. About to take some of the hangers off the actual truck real quick. Take one off down there. We're going to be replacing it. But if you want to hear what a 5.3 Silverado sounds like with no exhaust after the cats, so do I. Check this out. Sounds cool, but also a little rednecky. This is once again a 2018 truck. I don't want to sound like a big redneck truck. If I had an old square body or something, absolutely. So all I'm gonna do, like I said, is take some of the hangers off the truck, take the one off of there, and we're gonna piece on the new exhaust And honestly, I'm just gonna kind of cut to the new exhaust being on and done. The truck's not lifted high enough for me to get good angles up underneath. Once again, a good install video is linked in the description below. I'm just here for some sweet before and afters.
10 seconds later.
All right, now we can't forget the tip. Look at that. Guys, I don't know what you think, but I like that. It's not too loud, but it has a nice rumble. I'm gonna get this thing shut off, clean the garage, and we'll go for a ride. Alright guys, now a little inside test. We got that one coming both ways. Let's punch it, see what it sounds like. Alright, as to be expected, you hear pretty much nothing but intake noise. Hopefully we'll be changing that. Alright, this is with the new exhaust, pulling out. Definitely audible, that's for sure. You can still hear intake noise because the exhaust isn't super loud, but you can finally hear something. This side's dirty already. There we go. And that is it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. It's chilling here at idle right now. It has a nice low but deep, kind of actually like a lopey sound. I think it sounds really good. Once again, this is an under $400 exhaust system. Normal side exit, just like the factory. So this is kind of, you know, OEM plus look. It sounds really good. I think it sounds good from the inside as well. It's not too drony. It's not very loud. You still hear the radio, which is super nice, which is also to be expected. But yeah, I don't know. Overall, maybe took me like 2 full hours to install. The hardest part was getting the old hangers off the old exhaust. Literally getting the old exhaust off and then pulling it out in one piece was the hardest part. Putting this on probably took 20 minutes, honest to God. It was super nice and really easy to install. Hope you like those little before and after clips. I mean, I don't really know what else to say. I hope you guys like it. It's raining, so I'm gonna get myself inside, get everything cleaned up, and go from there. But all that being said, that's all I got for you guys. Hope you liked the first video of the new year. Hope you like the exhaust on the truck. I know it's no $1,000 dual exhaust or anything like that. But this is something that I'm pretty happy with. And so far, I can't really tell like I could still tell when it shifts from V4 mode to V8 mode, and you know, vice versa. But it doesn't sound too bad as of yet. We'll see it in the summertime once I get my windows down and stuff like that. But I think, and also I forgot to mention this, I actually think my tire noise is still almost louder than the damn exhaust, which is crazy. Until you get on it, then you know you're driving a truck. It shifts down. It sounds good. So all that being said, thank you guys for watching and supporting me. Check out Motivated if you haven't already. Got tons of stuff up on the site. Since my last video, we do have beanies now in gray. Well, these aren't flat rims, but we do have gray flat rims. Like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe, join the family, join this build. You're not going to want to miss it. I got a bunch of stuff coming for this truck. Well, a bunch of stuff in my garage for this truck, just looking for the time. So that all being said, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.